A host of punchy ingredients turbo boost the flavour of these homemade falafels. Traditionally, they're deep fried in oil, but we've baked these in the air fryer to keep everything light. Preheat the air fryer to 180 degrees and cook the tins of drained chickpeas and lentils for 10 minutes, stirring halfway. Blitz 2 garlic cloves, 50 grams of rocket, and 3 spring onions with fresh coriander and mint until finely chopped. Add fresh lemon zest along with 1 teaspoon of dried cumin and the baked chickpeas and lentils. Season lightly and blitz until finely minced and the mixture is starting to clump together. Shape 8 falafel patties and arrange them in the air fryer. You might need to cook them in batches depending on how big your air fryer basket is. Spray with low-calorie cooking spray and cook for 8 to 10 minutes until they're crisp and golden, flipping them halfway. Make a creamy dressing by chopping the remaining herbs and stir into fat-free yogurt with some extra lemon zest and a little seasoning. Add a pinch of chili flakes too if you like a little heat. Then stuff the falafels into wholemeal pita breads and serve with a big salad.